What does it mean to be a billionaire? Living a luxurious life with all the amenities in the world one can dream of is the basic idea most of us have. And what does it have to do with being the wealthiest person in the world? We would naturally think that the richest man on Earth, Elon, would have the capital to get anything he wants. But did you know he prefers a humble, tiny home and is focused on scaling down his lavish lifestyle? Excited to know more about this? Welcome to Tech United, a place where we bring tech and people closer together. Are you excited enough? What are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification bell to get the latest news and updates on Tesla, Apple, SpaceX, and more. In today's video, let's take a look at Elon's $50,000 tiny house. The trillion EV manufacturing company Tesla and the space exploration company SpaceX have garnered a whopping amount of revenue and have succeeded in grabbing attention globally. Over the years, it has become inevitable to mention Tesla when we are talking about tech. And the same goes for SpaceX. Be it the Artemis project, Starlink mission, or Starship launch, and the entire world has been curious and diligent about what he does. Since Elon is someone who built an empire from scratch, the youth and even real value investors and affluent business people are inspired by what he has been doing so far. So, whatever he does gets the public attention effortlessly. Imagine the luxurious and classy mansions billionaires and affluent business people live in. On that note, it's shocking that the top billionaire's new home is worth only $50,000 and costs less than his Tesla Model S. As simple as it sounds, the tiny boxable house also looks simple. The small compact home in which Elon Musk resides was designed by the housing company Boxable. By the middle of 2021, Elon shed his substantial real estate empire and made a surprising announcement on his humble and tiny home in Texas. While he might have set up a multi-million mansion designed by world-famous architects and interior designers, the multi-billionaire seems to be satisfied with his elegant and small property. So, we can say that the world's richest man is not living large. As mentioned earlier, Elon sold a significant portion of his real estate portfolio and listed his final property in July 2021. The billionaire revealed that he would be focusing on his Mars mission and set up the tiny box house at the SpaceX site in Boca Chica, Texas to focus on the same. And he says it's kinda awesome to live there. Based on reports, his $50,000 home is a 375 square foot modular home from Boxable. The prefab property setup at the SpaceX site proves that what Elon stated last year was indeed true. Elon mentioned in 2020 that he will sell all his residential properties and will own no house in the future. The news wasn't considered too serious until he listed his last home by the middle of 2021. Let's now have a look inside the house. Although the box house looks tiny, it has 4 quarters divided uniformly to provide comfy and basic amenities required. The kitchen has a wraparound breakfast bar. The cozy lounge and snug bedroom portion, along with a stylish bathroom, don't make it any less comfortable compared to those multi-million worth mansions the billionaire have owned so far. An electric fireplace portion is recessed into the wall, and the 9-foot-high ceilings are other features on the prefab property. A smart room divider is set up to separate the quarters between lounge area, bedroom, and kitchen, as we can see from the basic design Boxable have revealed. Some kitchens Boxable designed would have minimal counter space, which would be scaled down efficiently according to preferences, and will also have a microwave, glass front display cupboards incorporated to store cutleries, crockeries, and whatnot. These tiny houses would have all the basic necessities, including a bed, living area, bathroom, and kitchen, all in the form of a folded box. Even though the concept seemed plain at first, now we know it's pretty comfortable and cute. At first, the co-founder of Boxable, Galliano Tiramani, wasn't sure whether Elon is certainly staying at a Boxable residence, but soon after, Galliano gave a peek inside a typical Boxable home. According to reports, Elon Musk is reportedly living in the casita floor plan Boxable offers. It can be folded and shipped to any location and is an excellent choice for traveling business people if they prefer having their own space. Boxable also offers an open floor plan. The living room will be set adjacent to the laundry room and bathroom. The living area will also be spacious enough to accommodate a sofa, TV, and the kitchen will have space to accommodate a fridge, washing sink, and small cabin. His new tiny home is indeed too humble compared to his previous mansions. We are not sure whether Elon's wife Grimes and his toddler live along with him in the tiny property. If they do, the family won't have to cram up and live, as the property is pretty spacious. An extended portion will have a countertop that can be used as a dining area for two. The bathroom will have a deep bathtub and shower according to residents' preferences. If the resident would like to have a sleek and streamlined design, it would have plenty of storage. A backlit mirror will also be added to provide a luxurious touch. The rows of windows setup will allow proper ventilation and let in natural light. LED lighting and task lighting give a classy look to the house. So, undoubtedly, the house bills will not be a concern. And yes, for a billionaire like Elon, it won't be an issue either way. All these amenities we have seen so far are what a basic, boxable prefab will have. But it is customizable, and Elon would have given in details about his preferences on the interior. At this point, we can conclude that clever use of space is done where even corners are utilized as storage places. Due to the same pattern, drawers and cubbyholes will serve as perfect storing spots for accessories and similar things. According to the housing company, the housing bills will be less than $30 a month on average due to good insulation technology and advanced power-saving technology. The half-sized wardrobes and hanging space have been squeezed under the room divider. If Elon would like to have more space, then a second story can be installed on top of the first. After scaling down his lavish lifestyle, what is the billionaire planning? Elon is intensely focused on setting up the proper foundation for the future generations to come and is determined to colonize Mars. Elon has got his way when scaling down things to gather up resources for doing a greater good. And it is what makes the billionaire charming and inspiring compared to many other affluent personalities. Given the fact that the tech mogul did have his fair share of choices while selecting the place where he wanted to reside, the news is indeed surprising. Did you know that the billionaire used to sleep in his office during his early life? At this point, we can conclude that the hard work and toil he had to put in have paid off well in the end. If you liked today's house tour of Elon's $50,000 tiny house, you might want to watch our How to Share Your Mobile Internet with Your Friends or Your PC simple method on the left, or you might like our new videos on how to edit your pics, simple and easy way to edit pics on the right. With that, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn on the post notifications so that you always get notified whenever we post a new video. Till then, keep watching. We will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.